How to build your own electronic temperature monitor. An electronic temperature monitor contains a sensor that can get information from the physical world and transfer the analog data into digital data. The information can be flow rate, change in pressure, or temperature around the sensor. The electronic temperature monitor combines sensor and amplifier so the device can get the physical data from the real world and convert the information into digital signal for display on a computer or voltmeter. 1. Connect the electronic components, see below, for the sensor parts. Make sure that the sensor is on the bottom right of the Proto board. Points A and B are the connecting points to the other parts of the device. 2. Connect the electronic components, see below, for the amplifier part. Make sure that the whole amplifier part is on top left of the Proto board. A and B are the connecting points to the sensor part. 3. Adjust the resistance of each potential meter by using toolstick. See things you'll need. And make sure that resistance on each potential meter match the list of data. 4. Connect the temperature monitor to the power supply. Connect the endpoint of the amplifier to the voltmeter. 5. Turn on the power supply and make sure that the power is set to 12 volts. The voltage on the voltmeter will be the temperature in degrees Fahrenheit.